Saint Germain, and I send you the heavenly greeting with Omar Tassat. Beloved human child, wonderful transforming energies I have prepared for you. I know that you sometimes have a hard time on earth in duality. And I also know that purification from these energies will do you good. The violet flame shines in my aura. It invites you to cleanse yourself of all the structures that have burdened you over the last few days. It is the violet flame that I bring to you today, and so that you can experience this transformation in the necessary depth. Saint Germain asks you to inhale the light of love. Do this with a focus of mindfulness and let this love flow directly into your heart. Connect with your soul there. And spread out from there and expand your heart. Feel how the energy changes. How you are lifted. How your mind silences. And how your heart awakens more and more. Concentrate on love and call your inner helpers to accompany you as the transformation will work in every layer of your aura. And so I now create the violet flame. She is gonna spread her energy right in front of you. A huge violet flame will develop in your body size. And when you are ready, now step with one breath into the middle of this flame that is in front of you. Immediately, the energy begins to vibrate and to surround you, your body, and your aura. Relax and let go, because everything that burdens you is now transformed. The energy of the violet flame flows through your aura. The energy cleanses every single layer. And you relax more and more with every breath. Cause you feel like it is getting easier and easier for you. How your shoulders are freed from the burden that you carry and that does not belong to you. And so the violet flame in your emotional field now begins to purify and transform and purify the wounds that you may have felt yesterday or the day before yesterday. It is possible that old patterns have repaired that you thought had long since disappeared. All this will now transform the violet flame. Saint Germain fires the violet flame and it now unfolds its full power. You feel comfortable in this transforming energy, and you know that it works for your highest good. The transforming energy flows into your physical body and works where you have a tension or pain. It will remove the structures as it now arises for you and is good and right as your soul allows you to be. This is how the violet flame works for you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Your inner helpers will divert the energies for you, and you will certainly feel a relief. And so now Saint Germain asks you to step out of the violet flame again, because I will now place a print of it in the entrance area of your apartment. There, every person who enters this home should automatically experience a cleaning. And also you shall experience a cleaning when you come from outside. Because this way the energies of the collective remain outside for the time being, and you enter your home with pure energy dress. Saint Germain now activates this flame in your entrance, and it will stay there. It would be good if you would call me every now and then, so that I can fill this flame with new energy, so that it can continue to help you. And so I look at you and I see that your tension has eased and you feel much better than before. And so I know that I have worked well for you and that everything is done for your highest good. And so, full of love and gratitude, I bid you farewell with the heavenly tones of An Anasha.